Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the Reels video using the music of DJ Mimi. And the music will be categorized as the high beat or jedak-jeduk in Bahasa Indonesia. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to create the video here I will use the CapCut with my Android phone, and also don't forget to prepare the several picture or clip from your device and you can import it into this section. And for example, here I have prepared several clip. This is the picture, this is the video, and also the clip video, the video again, and the video. And I will also show you how to create the cutout effect or cutout transition, guys. And after importing the several the picture and also the several clips, and I have also show you this. There is the music of DJ Mimi that I have uploaded into this section. So the music will be like this. I will show you the piece of this song or this music. Mimi, Mimi, something like that, guys. But I'm sorry in advance to not show you the full or the whole music to respect the copyright. And let's go into the tutorial. Well guys, into this section or this picture, I put a picture and the duration will be 2 seconds, and also the clip will have 1.7 second, and so does or the rest of the clip. And also don't forget to mark the beat of this music. How to do that? So you can select the music first and you can find the menu that will be activated here, and you can slide it to until you find the beat here. And after that you can start to mark the beat. For example, you can click this. This is for adding the beat and this is for delete the beat, guys. And you will see there is the bit that I have marked into this music, and also you can use the which part of the music that you would like to create into this video reel. And for the first picture here, I will also put the effect named particle blur. How to find it? So you can find it into the category of intro and outro, and you will find this particle blur too. And after that, for the rest of the clip here, I will put the effect named velocity. The way to add or apply that velocity is you can select the clip first, and after that you can click speed here and click velocity effect, and after that you can choose this flash and the effect will be applied into the clip itself. And after that you will see too there's the transition effect like this is the cutout, and you can also choose the movement which the align or the movement will be, for example from the bottom, from the left, or from the up, or on the last transition. I will show you how to create it. So you can start to click this plus first, and you can select the clip. For example, I will choose this one. And after this last clip being uploaded, I will reduce the duration to follow the bit here like this. And after that, I will also add the velocity effect and kindly wait for it to be applied. Something like that. And after that, I will start to put the transition effect or the cutout transition effect. You can click overlay here and click overlay again. And for example, I will choose a photo from my gallery here. And after that, I will reduce the duration too. And I will slightly zoom in to get more detailed view. Okay, 0.6 and this is 0.62. And I will zoom it again. And after that, I will start to click transform to zoom in this picture so that it can fit to the screen like this. And after that, I will start to remove the background. Click remove BG here, and you can click the chroma key or choose the auto removal, and you will see like this, the background instantly removed. And after that, you can start to click the random thing and click this again, and you can start to add the keyframe, for example like this. I will zoom it again, and you can start to slide. Okay, I will remove this keyframe again, I'm sorry. So how to create the movement is, for example, I want that this picture move from from right to the left. So I will move it first to this section until it's not visible here. And after that, you can start to add the keyframe here. Click this. And after that, you can move it a little bit to the right. And I will start to adjust the opacity or the transparency. You can click this, and I will reduce it to become 30. And after that, you can move this layer to the right like this, and you can add the keyframe first, and you can go to the transform to move the position. Click advance and click position. Since we would want that this picture move to the left, so we will move this axis X like this to be a half of the screen. And after it slightly appeared, you can move this by your hand like this and click enter, and slightly move it again to the right. You can go back to the opacity again, click opacity and increase the opacity to become 70 like this. Perfect. And the last one, you can start to add the keyframe again and move this until full or fit into the screen. And after that, you can move it slightly to the right and add the keyframe again, and you can change the opacity to become 100. So the movement would be like this, something like that. So I will show you the full video after we create it. Something like that, guys. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and please let us know about this tutorial. Does it work with you or not? And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.